Today, we will finalize everything, check preparations, and fix any issues before the big day. RCD, please present the master plan and the schedule that is prepared.
Thank you, Ma'am Cheryl. Based on our timeline, all games will run for 3 days. The main venue is the basketball court. We have assigned 2 staff per game, equipment ready, the opening schedule on Monday morning. I also assigned this with the school calendar and guidelines.
Okay, that looks organized and I hope everything is confirmed and ready so we avoid problems.
Actually, I have something important to say. Ma'am Arceline, I received the plan today, 2 days ago, but I was not able to reply our venue, so I will book for the regional teacher seminar on the same Monday, Tuesday. The schedule the opening and major games. I informed that admin last month about this, but it seems wasn't not noted in the calendar reviews.
Wait, I checked the calendar posted at the office. There are no seminar listed there. This is a big problem. All our opening program, team, parade, and championship days are there. We cannot move it anymore.
Also, Ma'am Arceline, IG and LGBT schedule to assign us to cover for the areas at the same time. We cannot be in a team field and equipment room at all once, plus basketball, rings and sound system and repair, but there is no budget included for in the plan.
What? Exactly. If we push this plan, we'll be short on an hour, broken equipments, and no main venue. This event will be messy.
But I follow the budget given to me. And I assign tasks based on the stop list provided. I did my job properly.
And I cannot cancel the seminar. It was approved
Oh my
way
God.
earlier. The venue is already reserved.
Okay, everyone, please calm down. Let's stop here. Yes, we have problems, but arguing won't fix anything. This is exactly why we have this meeting today. Remember, we are one team. Wow. And our goal is the same. A successful intramurals. Let's solve this professionally, step by step. First rule, listen to understand, not to argue. Let's go one by one. RCB, tell us how you prepare the plan. And then, Rodel, explain clearly about the venue booking.
I base everything on the actual calendar shared online and the budget given to me by the office. I didn't see any note about the seminar, so I assumed the gym was done. I arranged the schedule to fit all games in 3 days so classes won't be interrupted. I also assigned stuff based on the list I made.
I understand that. The seminar was approved by our internal memo, and unfortunately, it wasn't updated on the public calendar. It was a communication gap. Not one's fault. However, the gym is fully unavailable on the Monday and Sunday. The open field and the court are free. Though also regarding equipment, we have spare sounds and portable wings stored. They just need checked.
Okay, so the root causes here are miscommunication with schedules updates. So overlapping, tasks for staff, and unlisted equipment needs now. Let's think of solution and what can we adjust.
I can rearrange the schedule, move the opening ceremony and morning games to the open field and covered court. First, then, when the seminar ends on Tuesday afternoon, we can transfer the major games and finals to the gymnasium. That's why nothing clashes.
If you adjust the game times, RG and I can handle it. We just need to make sure no two activities are scheduled at the same time in different places. Maybe add two students volunteer to help us with equipment.
I can assign one maintenance staff to assist AJ and RG, and it will use spare equipment we have. No need to extra budget. I will also update the calendar immediately after we solve this one habit.
For the small repair needs, and I can approve a small amount from the school. So activity contingency fund, so everything is safe and
Great! Let's summarize our agreement to make sure everything is aligned. Mr. Gracias?
Yes, ma'am. The summary of our discussion for today is, first, for our venue, the opening in the morning games, the open field in the covered court. For the afternoon, and the final game is for the preparation of our gymnasium. Second is for about the schedule. Marceline will be the one to revise the timeline and distribute to everybody. Third is for the staffing. AJ and me, and together with the other maintenance and other volunteers from the United States team. And for the last is make sure to have the equipments, use available spare times to repairs they covered by contingency funds we have. Is everyone okay with this?
Yes.
That's good. One, I admit I was mistaken earlier. Listening to your sides helped me see where adjustments are needed. Thank you for understanding.
Same here. Communication is the key and it takes fast.
perfect example of functional conflict resolution. So we had the problems, but instead of blaming others, we focus on solutions. So that is how a good event committee works. Good job, team.
Tomorrow for the final walkthrough. Let's make this year's intramurals the best one yet.
Reflection. Our presentation is based on the theme, Professional Conflict in Events. It demonstrates how problems can be resolved collectively. We also showcased every member's professionalism, attentiveness toward one another, and the opportunity given to each member to share their thoughts and opinions. The leaders acknowledged their own mistakes and shortcomings. We also displayed mutual trust among all members, as well as the process of resolving issues together and building mutual understanding. Thank you for watching.